I feel like I'm. You said throw it on. Mom, come on. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this natural look on this wig using the Ebin Tinted Mousse and also the Ebin Lace Spray. Two new products, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to go in with this Tinted Lace by Ebin, and it is a mousse and I have it in the color medium brown. All you're going to be doing is putting this on the wig and then you're going to let it dry and put the wig on your head. So let's do that. So all I did to prep my hair was put the 4 braids at the top, and then I went in with my Ebin spray to lay down this stocking cap that I got from Walmart. These are the pantyhose from what I told y'all before. Recommended to wear gloves. That's what the directions say. Read the directions first. Okay y'all, so I just put the mousse on the lace and I'm just using my gloves to mix everything around so it blends in and looks natural. This is so that you don't have to bleach your lace. Make sure you mix it all in there, y'all. See if it got it dark, y'all. Y'all, this Tinted Lace Mousse works so good. Like, this wig was white. And as you can see right now, it's blending in with my own skin. Like, sus. Oh, we getting down to business today. So I'm about to go in with the lace melt. Let's see if it really acts like a glue for wigs, because that's what it's supposed to do. And this came in different versions. I got the one that was with vitamin E. There was different ones. There was ones with castor oil, different stuff. But I did vitamin E because you always want to hydrate your hair. So but this color is giving the world. Okay y'all, so I just took off the glam band. I'm gonna go in with a second coat of the Ebin Lace Melt Spray. It definitely melted in really well. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my baby hairs that I plan on using. I'm also gonna just work on molding my hair so I can sit under the dryer. So that's what we're about to do right now. I'm gonna go back in with the band. So okay guys, so I've had the band on for about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take it off. Okay guys, I'm going in with my water and also my mousse. Y'all, I'm gonna go back in with that Tinted Lace Mousse just to put a little bit right here to make sure that that lace got caught, because it melted this part, but I want to make sure this right here is also melted. So doing that. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.